The best, most comprehensive list of tips about making money online you'll find. Have you heard people claim to make money online? It's something that everyone wants to do, and it seems like it should be easy. But if you've listened to horror stories, it seems to be hard. The secret to making money online is to follow the right advice, and here is some great advice to make some money. One great way to make money online is to use a site like Etsy or eBay to sell things you make yourself. If you have any talents, from sewing to knitting to carpentry, you can make a killing through online markets. People want items that are handmade, so join in. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. Try doing surveys. There are lots of online surveys to do. They can really help you earn extra money. The surveys might not pay very much, depending on exactly where you take them. But, it's a simple way to make some money in your free time. You may be surprised at how the money can add up. If you have good ears and can type quickly, you might want to look into online transcription jobs. The beginning rates are usually low, but with time and practice, you can build up your skills to tackle some of the better paying jobs. Try looking on Odesk or Elance for some transcription work. When looking for opportunities to make money online, try the big name companies first. Amazon and eBay, for example, are trusted and have proven to work for millions of people. While it can be safe and lucrative to go with unknowns, the big companies have track records, tools, and other ways of ensuring your success from the get-go. Consider the things you already do, be they hobbies or chores, and consider how you can use those talents online. If you make your children clothing, make 2 of each and sell the extra on the internet. Love to bake? Offer your skills through a website and people will hire you. The internet can be a place for you to make money, when you know how to. After watching this video, you should be more convinced than ever that you can make a lot of money online. Simply put the tips to work for you, and you'll find the money comes in. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1,000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.